Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today we are back with another Slotomania tutorial and we are learning how to collect gifts in Slotomania. Slotomania offers multiple ways to collect free gifts every day. In order to do that, launch open the Slotomania app on your device and log in. From the main screen, look for the gift box icon at the top left corner right next to your profile avatar. After you tap on that, you'll open up the Gifts tab and inside Collect. If there is a gift left to be claimed, you'll see the gift and click the Collect, Claim or Open button to receive your free coins or rewards from this page. If you've already claimed your gift, then you will see this No Gifts to Collect tab inside the Collect button. Each day you log in, Slotomania usually shows a bonus pop-up. Tap on Claim to receive coins, boosters, or event rewards. You can also collect events and special gifts. Try participating in limited time events and tournaments. Rewards are often sent automatically to your gift inbox after completion. So that's how you can easily collect gifts in Slotomania. It is one of the easiest way to get free coins and keep playing longer without spending real money. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.